While you might not check every item off your wish list, get ready to snag the ultimate stay in the heart of Bayou City. Welcome to the View on Macgregor in Houston, a student accommodation that will surely transform your perception of comfort. Whether you prefer the company of friends or crave absolute privacy, there's something for everyone at the View on Macgregor, ranging from shared apartments to studios. Each room here features a comfortable mattress, bed frame, spacious wardrobe, and a study table, prioritizing your comfort and need above all. From 2 on-site fitness centers to keep you in top shape, vibrant social spaces for some good times, a breathtaking downtown view, and a luxurious swimming pool to cool off in style, there's almost everything you need to experience the stay of a lifetime. When you need to hit the university, Texas Southern University and Rice University are a short, pleasant ride away. Craving delectable food? Be Rich BBQ, the ultimate kitchen, coffee at the Nook, or Bohemios, all within reach. Plus, supermarkets like Aldi and H-E-B are a short stroll away, making your last-minute grocery runs easier. Moreover, commuting is going to be the least of your hassles with various bus stops and tram stations right at your doorstep. It's time to make your choice. Head straight to amberstudent.com and secure your spot at the View on Macgregor, the unparalleled blend of luxury in Houston.